Richard and Judah playing with each other as always, and Aslan playing by himself. Aslan, why don't you play with them? He says, I'd rather walk all over Mom. Alright. Alright, Aslan. Looks like Judah's gonna make you play. No? Guess not. Looks like Richard's just gonna want to lay on your butt. Black one's Richard the Lionhearted. He's playing, or was playing, with Judah, the gray one. And the other black one, which is a little furrier, at Christie's feet. That is Aslan. He tends to play by himself. Plays with them sometimes, but I can't imagine what it would have been like if we did not get Richard, because Richard and Aslan, Richard and Judah just love to play together. And I love every minute of the kitty wrestling and grappling. I think 5 minutes is enough, so I'm gonna end it here.